In this video, I will be showing you how to create a progress bar in Canva. Let's get started. I start by clicking Custom Size and selecting my preferred dimensions to open up a new design. Once the blank canvas loads, I head over to the left sidebar and click on Elements. I scroll down until I find the Charts section and click See All to view the different infographic options. I scroll through the list and select the progress bar to add it to my page. Now, I'll resize the bar by dragging the corner handles to make it a bit larger and easier to see. In the left-hand panel, I toggle the percentage label on to show the progress number and switch off rounded endpoints for a flatter, more modern look. Next, I adjust the line weight slider to change the thickness and move the percentage slider to set the initial progress value. To customize the appearance, I click the color tile in the top menu and experiment with a few different shades until I find a vibrant yellow that I like. I also want to customize the text, so I click the font dropdown and select Anton to give the percentage a bold, clear style. After repositioning the bar on the canvas and resizing it once more, I click Edit to fine-tune the padding and the percentage levels. I'll finish up by adjusting the line weight and sliding the percentage bar back and forth one last time until the design is exactly where I want it. And that's how I quickly create a custom progress bar in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.